It isn't often you look at 5-day performance in the currency market and see the yen and Swiss franc on opposite ends of the spectrum. The outperformance in the Swiss franc suggests distress in markets, while the underperformance in the yen says there isn't anything to worry about. While we recognize we could be oversimplifying here, the fact that these two currencies are at opposite ends makes it interesting enough to highlight. Into Wednesday, it seems the yen could be waking up to the strength in the franc as it too starts to make its way higher, or dollar yen lower. We've highlighted the fact that risk on momentum from last week's Fed decision, updates from the US-China trade front, and UK election is momentum that could be fading, leaving the door open for some deterioration in risk sentiment. The pound has suffered this week, with many attributing the selling to news around Boris Johnson, who said the UK will be leaving the EU a year from now, whether it has a deal or not. But we think setbacks are now opportunities to look to take advantage of a cheaper pound that looks a lot more attractive with most of the downside Brexit risk out of the way. We've heard from the government in the final stages of its selection process for Mark Carney's replacement. The New Zealand dollar has come under some added pressure today after the Tuesday GDT auction result produced a discouraging negative print. Looking ahead, key standouts on the calendar include German producer prices, an ECB Lagarde speech, German IFO reads, Eurozone construction output, Eurozone inflation, UK inflation, Canada inflation, a Fed Brainerd speech, an ECB core speech, and a Fed Evans speech. That's all for now.